Welcome to Raj Kids TV.
Five little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck said, "Quack, come back," but only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks went down the stream, splashing around in the sunshine beam. Mama duck said, "Quack, come back," but only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks went near a tree, playing around so happily. Mama duck said, "Quack, come back," but only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks went near the pond, looking around beyond and beyond. Mama duck said, "Quack, come back," but only one little duck came back. One little duck felt sad and small, then Mama duck called them all. Soon all five little ducks came back. Quack, 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 what a happy track.
Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do share, like, and comment. Bye-bye!